Welcome back to my channel, The Serene Sunset. Today we are going to learn very special topic. The topic of today is life cycle of a frog. As you know, frogs are very important in our life. So let's check the life cycle of a frog and the four main stages. Four main stages are: the first stage is known as egg. Eggs are when the mother frog lays their eggs in water. Like eggs are soft and jelly-like to protect them from the predators. A group of frog eggs is called frog spawn, and the tiny tadpoles grow inside the eggs. The stage 2 of the life cycle of a frog is a tadpole. Tadpoles hatch from the eggs. They live only in water. They have tails and gills to breathe inside the water. Tadpoles look like small fish, and they eat plants and algae. Algae are just like plants. The third stage of a life cycle of a frog is a froglet. The tadpole starts changing in the stage 3. Its legs begin to grow and lungs develop for breathing air to live inside the water and outside in the land. The tail becomes completely shorter. This change is also known as metamorphosis. The stage 4 of a life cycle of a frog is an adult frog. The frog now has only 4 legs. The tail disappears completely. Adult frogs live on land and in water. They eat insects. Adult frogs can lay eggs and start the life cycle again. Important facts. The first important fact is a frog life cycle has only 4 main stages. A frog goes through metamorphosis, and the reproduction helps animals continue their species. And also the life cycle repeats again and again. I hope you enjoyed my channel session. Bye bye. See you next time.